Category 1, Question 1. Mr. Lee leaves Estate A for Estate B on a motorcycle. If he rides at a speed of 60 km per hour, he will arrive at B at 11 o'clock. If he increases his speed by 20 km per hour, he will arrive at 10:15. Find the time at which Mr. Lee leaves Estate A. Key concept: distance equals to time times speed. It works the other way around. In the triangle, D is distance, T is time, and S is speed. It shows that distance divided by time can get speed, and the reverse also can work. X saves the day. Let x be the distance traveled. So if we travel 60 km per hour, 60 km per hour times x, which is distance, equals to 60x km. If it travels 20 km per hour faster, 60 km per hour plus 20 km per hour, which equals to 80 km per hour. So 80 times x minus 45, which equals to 80x minus 360 km. Solve. Since in both cases the distance has not changed, 80x minus 3600 km equals to 60x km. Subtract 60x on both sides and add 360 kilometers on both sides. This will cause the equation to become 80x minus 60x km, which equals to 3600 km. Final step: 20x km equals to 3600 km. X km equals to 180 km. 180 km divided by 60 km per hour equals to 3 hours. 3 hours before 11 o'clock is 8 o'clock. Therefore, the answer is 8 o'clock. Thus, we have finished our Category 1. Category 2, Question 7. Question 7 is, the figure shows the lengths of three sides of a rectangle. AB equals to 2x plus 3 cm, CD equals to 3x minus 7 cm, and AD equals to 4x minus 30 cm. Find the numerical value of x and the numerical area of the rectangle. The key concept to solve this problem: opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length, congruent. This means that 2x plus 3 cm equals to 3x minus 7 cm because they are opposite sides. 2x plus 3 cm equals to 3x minus 7 cm. We want to get the variables on one side of the equation and the constants on the other side. So we subtract 2x from the left side and subtract 2x from the right side to keep the equation balanced. Then we add 7 to the right side and the left side to get rid of it on the right side. So it becomes 2x minus 2x plus 3 plus 7 cm, which equals to 3x minus 2x minus 7 plus 7. So we get x equals to 10 cm. Thus we have solved part 1 of the problem. The numerical value of x is equal to 10 cm. Numerical area. As x equals to 10, we substitute x with 10 to form numerical length and breadth. 2 times 10 plus 3 cm times 4 cm times 10 minus 30 cm equals to 20 cm plus 23 cm times 40 cm minus 30 cm, which is 23 cm times 10 cm, which is 230 square cm, which is our answer. Category 3, Question 1. I think of a certain number. I multiply it by 6 and add negative 18 to the product. If I take away 1/3 of the sum, I get negative 2. What's the number? How to solve? For this problem, we have to look at its sequence, then work back to its original. X comes in again, the sequence in terms of x. Let x be the original number we just thought of. So here I've made a diagram that depicts the sequence. By the way, plus 18x is negative 18x as positive, and negative makes negative. Solve. 1/3 times 6x minus 18 in brackets equals to negative 2. 2x minus 6 equals to negative 2. 2x minus 6 plus 6 equals to negative 2 plus 6. I've added 6 to the negative 6 to remove the constants on that side. Then I add the 6 to the other side to balance the equation. Thus, I form the equation 2x equals to 4. The answer? The answer is 2. It can be checked by doing the steps recorded in the question, which is like 2 times 6 minus 18, which equals to 6, then negative 6, minus 2, which equals to 2. Thus, we have checked